I'm Jake, and this is Fresh. We're here today at DeLorean Park for what I'm sure will be a memorable skate lesson.
Perfect day for it. High 70s, light wind, low noob count.
What everyone wants to know is, can Tricky really teach you Tawny to skate?
Good cue, Jays. Hard to say with so much at stake.
Steak? Oh, now I'm thinking of Mully's steak sandwich. That special sauce, those killer fries. Oh.
Shake it off, bro. Head in the game.
And we're back. Now, call me harsh, but I don't give this lesson much more than 3 minutes tops, which would have to be considered a failure.
Let's not jump the gun, JK. Maybe those two will surprise you.
So, first things first, Tawny. Just try balancing. There you go.
Bold move going solo. An early fall could wreck her confidence.
You said a mouthful. The tension's so thick, I could eat it with a fork.
Yeah, like lasagna with fresh parm.
Let it go, Chaser.
No way! She nailed it!
I want to learn a trick now. Try not to get ahead of yourself. Concrete is not your friend. Come on, Tricky. Just something basic. I mean, how hard can it be?
Oh my, did you see that, Fresh? That little noob just took a nasty spill. Let's take another look.
Okay, fine. I'll teach you the simplest trick I know, Tawny. It's called tic-tacs. Just lift and turn, like this.
Oh man, why'd you have to mention candy?
Breaking news, JK. Tic Tacs are mints.
Mints are in the candy family. They're like cousins.
So, why is it called tic-tacs? I don't know. Just try it. Well, technically, the sound it makes sounds like tic-tac, tic-tac. Forget the name. It doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna teach you a 180 instead. Oh, maybe it's because you control the turn radius with your toes. You know, tic-tac-toe.
And Tricky's gone to her happy place. This lesson's over at the 2-minute, 47-second mark. Did I crush it or what?
You shredded it, J-Bro.
Ooh, Molly's shredded chicken tacos. Man, wear slacks for one of those.
Don't go there, bro.
Smothered in guac.
Forget tic-tacs. I'm gonna do a 90.
2 plops of sour cream.
There's no trick called a 90.
Splash of salsa.
I'm calling this trick a U-turn.
I'm out of here.
I'm out of here. How do I get off this thing?
Are you okay, Tawny? I'm out of here.